very common questions that we get is the emergency brake broken? The emergency brake goes up and down, right? It goes up and it goes down, right? And that's necessary because these front seats swivel. If you can't get it out of an engaged position to put the car into drive, the reason is you need to apply upward pressure to the handbrake. You then need to press that button in and lower it down, right? And it's not disengaged until you hear those clicks, right? In which case then you can go up, press that button, and then lower it back down. You need to make sure that that is disengaged, and then when you turn it on, of course, that parking brake will then be removed. That parking brake warning on your dashboard will be removed. If you notice that red parking brake warning, that means that the parking brake is still engaged, and that does not mean that you can just push this down, because that does not disengage the parking brake. You need to apply that upward pressure. While you're applying that upward pressure, you need to press the button in and then lower it.